Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be showing a tutorial for the CLL method on 2x2 with just a simple basic overview of the first step and then all of the 42 algorithms, which is not that much, even though it's the second biggest algorithm set I know. But let's get into it. The first step of the CLL method, I will make I have a CLL method. I have a video on CLL example solves. So if you want some example solves and help with the first layer, which looks like this, you can check that video out. And yeah, that's just how you make a layer. A layer is basically a side, but with all its other bars completed. And then after that, you solve the top layer in one algorithm, which is just works like that. So let's start. We're gonna start with what are known as the H cases, which have double bars like this. So if you have double bars and opposite bars on top, because green and blue are opposite, you this algorithm. R2, U2, R prime, U2, R2. And then you'll have AUF. It's actually quite a fast algorithm. However, if you have the bars, opposite bars on top, if they are horizontal, then you do this weird algorithm. I invented it. It's basically X, Z, R2, U prime, B2, U2, R2 prime, U prime, R2. If you have a single bar on the top like this, and it's horizontal, not vertical, horizontal like this, you do a U to keep the bars on the side, and do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. However, if the bar is vertical, then you're once again going to do a U, but a different algorithm. F, R2, U prime, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, F prime. By the way, I'm going to stop doing a repeat of the solves as fast as I can, so the video will be too long. And who knows how long this video will be, but I'm predicting 17 minutes. Moving on to what is called the soon cases. You have one piece solved, and if you keep it in the bottom left, then the other three face, and this yellow sticker faces in front of you. This is called a soon. And you're going to recognize just using these 5 stickers. So if these two are opposite, and so are these two, are opposite colors, then you do the soon algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Hey, don't you the same case? These two are the same. This case is where these two are opposite and these two are the same. You're gonna do a U2 for this algorithm and do this 3x3 OLL algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, sledgehammer, R, U2, R prime. Now, we were recognizing with these 4 stickers, now we're going to recognize with these 3. If these 2 are opposite and these 2 are same, you do R, U, R prime, hedge slammer. Once again, these 2 are opposite, but this time, these 2 are opposite. So the algorithm is, hedge slammer, U2, R, U2, R prime. This time, these 2 are opposite and these 2 are opposite. The algorithm is L prime, U2, L prime, U2, left sledgehammer. And finally, the last soon case is where these 2 are opposite but these 2 are same. The algorithm is just 2 algorithms combined. Righty move, sledgehammer, and the soon algorithm. And that first righty move sledgehammer, that was an algorithm we'll see later in the T cases. But the next one are the anti-soon cases. So we're gonna recognize using these 4 stickers, and if these two are opposite and these two are also opposite, you do the anti-soon algorithm. L prime, U prime, L, U, L prime, U to L. That was definitely correct. Once again, these two are opposite, but this time these two are same. You're going to do a U2 to keep it in the top left. And you're going to be doing, what's the algorithm again? R, U2, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R, U prime, R, U prime, R prime, U2. If these two are opposite and these two are same, then the algorithm you're going to do is sledgehammer RUR prime. That is such a fast algorithm. I bet that I can do it in under, if I do this algorithm in under 1 second, you have to like and subscribe. Deal? No, I plus do that. Never mind. Once again, these two are opposite, but instead of these two being same, they are opposite. Green and blue are opposite, remember? The algorithm is similar to one of the 2x2 cases. Well, this is how it goes. Lefty head slammer, U2, L prime, U2, L. If this time these two are opposite and these two are opposite, the algorithm is R, U2, R prime, U2, F. Wait, that's just a sledgehammer. Why did I forget? And the final case where these two are opposite and these two are same, then the algorithm is lefty sledgehammer, anti-soon. Quickly, you can also get the PLL cases where you solve a layer, but the yellow sides, the top side is same. All is solved, then you have 2 cases. The first one is when you have a bar solved, then keep that bar on the left and do this algorithm. Sledgehammer, R, U2, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, U2. Well, not U2, but like whatever AUF you have. And you probably already know the Y perm. This is just a Y perm from 3x3, so these two are swapping. And you should probably already know this algorithm. I'm just going to do it quickly without even editing. Next up are the T cases, where you have a double bar on the top and these two facing outwards. If you have these two facing outwards and these two are the same, then you do the simple algorithm, righty sledgehammer. If you have a case where these two are opposite and these two are opposite also, you might have to check for that. Then you do a U2 and do this exact same algorithm as last one, but on the left side. This right here is one of my favorite ones. You have a bar right here, double bar right here, but not a double bar right here. You're going to do a U, keep it like that, and do this algorithm. F, U, R, U2, R prime, U prime, F2, R, U, R prime. But if you do have double bars on both sides, then you're going to do this algorithm. It's weird. Z, and this is the exact same case as that PLL algorithm. Remember? Yeah, you do. If you have a double bar right here, you do a U prime, F, righty, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, U, R prime, F prime. If you have a double bar on this side, but also a double bar on this side, you do soon then anti-soon. It's so easy. Next, we're moving on to the U cases. You have a double bar, 2 double bars basically. And the first case is if you have a double bar right here, but 2 opposites right here. This is simply the U algorithm. F, righty, F prime. However, if you do have double bars on both sides, then you're gonna do a U, keep it like that, and then you're gonna do F, righty, U prime, F prime, lefty sledgehammer. If you have both opposite, then you're gonna do a U, F, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, E2. If this one is same and these two are opposite, then you're gonna do sledgehammer, the righty, and then R, U, R prime. If you really have these two both adjacent cases, then you're going to look at these three. Are these two opposite? Yes, they are. Then you're going to do a U, keep it like that, and do this algorithm. R, U, R2, F, R, F prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime. Stop showing the same case again. These two are same. Do a U so it's kept like this, and do the normal 3x3 algorithm. R2, D, R prime, U prime, R, D prime, R prime, U2, R prime, and AUF. The next cases are called the pi cases. I meant the 3.141592653 and also 92384622971874175822974825344170697825. I meant 706978211. You know those cases. There, when you have a bar, no, not double bars. These two are facing outwards, basically. So you're gonna do for this case when you have these two opposite and these two are same. You're gonna do this super fast algorithm. R U prime R2 U R2 U R2 U prime R. You wanna see how fast it is? Okay, I bet if I can do it in under 1 second, you this time have to like and subscribe. You have no option. Never mind. 1.1 seconds. This time it's kind of mirrored. These two are same and these two are opposite. The algorithm is you do a U and you do R prime, U prime, sledgehammer, R, U prime, R prime, U2, R. If these two are opposite, you do a U and do an algorithm similar to the fourth one. F, R2, U prime, R2, U, R2, U, R prime, R2 prime, F prime. Really similar. These next two cases are a bit confusing. These two are the same and these two are the opposite, but they have good algorithms. R, U2, R prime, U, R, U, R prime, U2, sledgehammer. But this case is mirrored. These two are same, these two are opposite. You're going to do a U for this case, so keep the pi at the back, basically. Hedge slammer, U2, R, U prime, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. The next cases are what are these called? The L cases. So this happens when you have two diagonal solves and two facing outwards. If these two are opposite and these two are same, you do the actual algorithm. F, R prime, F prime, R, and then just inverse righty. This case is different. These two are opposite, but these two are same if you hold it from this angle, which you're supposed to do it. So it's the exact same thing, but on the left side, which would look like this. If you have these two opposite and these two are, what are they called? Opposite two? No, these two are adjacent, these two are opposite. I'm going to do a U2 and just do it soon 3 times with the proper cancellations, which I'm going to be showing right here, right now. Exact same thing, but these two are the same. You do R, U2, R prime, sledgehammer, R, U2, R prime, and then the AUF. If you have the case where these two are same and these two are adjacent, it's the exact opposite of this case where you had U and that algorithm. Just do the exact opposite. R, U2, R, D, like just, well anyways, it's written right here. Probably not anymore. Same thing, but these two are opposite. You're gonna keep it like this and do inverse righty 2 times, inverse sledgehammer RU prime, RUR prime. I may or may not have missed some CLL cases, though I don't think I have. I'm just gonna make sure. I'm just gonna show you a quick little example solve. You're gonna make, well, there could be loading could be like that, and this is one of the cases. Or is it? Wait, I think. Oh, these two are same. Never mind. And I'm just gonna do a CLL solve. This method is meant for being sub 4 seconds. So I'm gonna show you what that might look like. Just gotta scramble this. Okay. Doesn't look like I can make a very efficient layer here. Yeah, that was a really inefficient layer. I'm gonna do another solve. Okay, let me see. Let me inspect. And here's what a CLL solve really looks like. Well, a CLL solve is not when you have very bad recognition. One last one, please, I beg of you. And also make sure subscribe. That was a true CLL solve right there. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to subscribe as we're trying to reach 250 subscribers by the end of the year, and 90.7% of you guys watching this video right now aren't subscribed. So please click it. And also, seriously, stop making my cubes disappear. And also, beware of the globe. It may hunt you down. Ooh, it's Madagascar. Bye.